think it's better like this. So hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, my name is Sautéing and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And if this is not the first time, please ensure to do the right thing, like, comment, share and subscribe to other videos, to my video. So if this is your first time, of seeing my face, please don't let this be the last. Subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down here and the notification bell, in case if I post any other new video, you'll be the first to know. And today we are cooking. It's been a long time no vlog. I think I'm trimming down now because I'm trying to wash my weight, but that's not the reason why we are here. So today I'll be cooking fried rice and banga soup, but this video is all about the fried rice video. I prepare my own fried rice, my own way of making fried rice, so that's what I will be filming today. And let me show you, I will be taking you guys past through the ingredients I'll be using, but for now I want to just start boiling the chicken first. So this is the bowl of chicken we'll be using. I just try to prep everything down. So this is the chicken we'll be using. I'm about boiling it now, I'm about cooking it now. So this I'll just want to take you guys along. So we start adding from nutmeg. Just added nutmeg now. It's almost finished. Adding curry powder. I'm adding black pepper. I'm adding turmeric. This is turmeric, but in Italy it's called canela. That's then dried onions. Oh shit! Let me throw it away. I add the fresh onions. Some aroma. Seasoning cubes. So I've stirred this up and I'll be leaving it to steam on its own juice first before I add more water to cook. So I just added more water, and that was the rosemary there. So I just added more water to let it cook through. I think the pot is dried enough, so I'll be adding my vegetable oil now. This solar. I said sole. That's sunflower oil. This sunflower oil is what I'm using. Sunflower oil. Add some oil to the pot. Let it heat up a bit. Then I will add the diced onions. So the oil is hot enough. I'll be adding the onions now. I'm using one hand because I'm using the other of my hand to vlog. I don't know how I'm going to make it. If I remember, I will add it. So I'm adding curry now. I'm going to just go over with dried onions. Just bit by bit nutmeg. Well, this is nutmeg. Black pepper. Just the same way I season the meat. Adding this one, soy sauce. Adding some salt, some seasoning cubes, which is I don't mind this kitchen now. It's something else. I'll be adding some green peppers, green scotch bonnet peppers. So I'll be going in with the rice now. So you wash your rice until the water is like this. It's as clear as this. Even more clear. So this is already washed rice going into the pot of some fried kokoriko. So I've added all the rice, so I will give them a quick stir. I will stir everything together, let it simmer a bit before I add the mixed up. So I don't know why I've not gotten my tripod, so I'm coming. Let me do that now. So these are it is. I've stirred everything together. I will leave it to simmer a bit, then come and add the mixed stock to it. So that I want to add the rice and sauté for some time to add the mixed stock to it now. water from the chicken. So I will stir this together now and add more water. So you can add it if the water is not enough. Let me add more water, I'm coming. So I just added more water to it. I think I'll be adding more salt, then cover it to let it cook. See what I'm doing? The water is the same level, a little above the rice will give you the perfect consistency you want for fried rice. Can you see? The water is little above it because this rice is a strong rice. So leave that to cook. I'll come, let me add some salt. So I just added some more salt to it. And more stem of rosemary. So we're checking on our rice now. Can you see? How shiny it is. Don't see the camera doing justice to this color of this rice. It's making it look white, but it's not white. As for the chicken, this chicken I boiled, I'll be grilling it with the oven. So I'll be arranging to the oven and I'll be back. So I'll be arranging it to the oven. So I'm at the back area now, so I'll be baking it now. I said baking. I'll be grilling the chicken. I will not be frying it, so let me do that now. I've been talking. I thought I was making video. I don't know why the rice is not green in the camera, but it's green here. So I'm bringing the rice down and add over to the vegetables. Can't you see how the rice is shiny? I think I love this method. Cool. Then why I fry the veggies. So see you guys later. Now we are moving over to the frying process. So these are all the ingredients we'll be using. This is spring onions, green pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper. This is carrot. This is green peas, green beans. This is green peas. This is green green gizzard. This is gizzard already fried. This is green and red pepper. I think couldn't find the yellow one. This is sweet corn, and this is spring onions as well, but the leaf part. Then that's white onions. So these are all the ingredients and the seasoning we'll be using. So the seasoning on the other side, I'll be showing why I add them. So these are all the ingredients we'll be using. This. I hope you guys saw it. Okay, those ones. So this is my ring light. I brought it out already, so I'll be using it now. So let me bring out the pot, put on the fire, and start the frying. So we'll be starting the frying now. The pot has dried up. I'll be adding my vegetable oil. I'll be adding enough oil. So my oil is hot enough. I'll be adding onions. First of onions. I think I can see this first. Onions. I'll saute a bit. Noodles. So going in with this green beans. I don't like it when it's fresh, so we'll go with it first. Adding the rest veggies. So I'll be frying this for some time now because it has changed its color, the original color to this beautiful green. So I'll be adding the green pepper now. But I don't want this one to be too fresh as well. I love using the three colors of dressing, red, yellow, and green, because it just has that beautiful color to it. So now I'll be adding the scotch bonnet pepper. Are you liking what you see? They only approve orange inside the fried rice for centuries. Most people have changed this. Give it that fresh onion taste. This is frozen. I'll be adding it now. If not, it will be the last thing I will add, but it's frozen, so I will want it to defrost, so that's why I add it now. So it will fry for some time, so I'll be adding the gizzard now. I don't think this gizzard is enough. So it is what it is. It's not enough, I said it. Too small for the veggies, so I could have more small from the veggie fried and the gizzard. You see what I'm seeing? How lovely and greenish it still is. The veggies don't have to be too cooked. So now, last but not the least, the sweet corns. Almost last. It's already fully cooked. So nice how the you see the goodness I'm saying. So our veggies are ready. I'll be taking out from it before I add the rice and stay together. So I could not vlog since because my phone was saying the camera was too hot to vlog. So you guys see it well. It's okay. So this is it. I'll be adding the spring onions now. Fresh spring onions. So sprinkle. With that freshness. So. This is it. I did not use all the veggies. There's still lots of veggies left. Like my fried rice will just be shiny, not be soggy. Or the rice will be standing on the and the veggies will not be too much. So we are done. The journey of our fried rice has ended. Just show the thing now. Okay, See you guys when I start eating. The result of the fried rice, and I'm just going to bring out the chicken from the oven. So these are it now. So this is the result. I just added some more veggies and the roasted chicken and the gizzard. So that's some food. Hi guys, I'm done cooking, and I finished cooking by past 3. Started cooking by 12. I finished cooking by past 3. Fried rice work is hard to cook, and I started prepping since yesterday. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Hope you learned 1 or 2 ways on how to cook fried rice, 1 or 2 things on this video. See you on the next one. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Bye. Let me go enjoy my fried rice with some cold smoothies, spinach smoothies. See you guys later.